Hello dear students, today we are going to start chapter 4 fractional numbers. So let's start. Dear students, she is Prablin, Simi's sister. Simi's sister has joined cooking classes and Simi asked her sister, Didi, you have learned to cook tasty food. Would you make a chapati for me? Prablin told, Of course, Simi, I will make it for you. Please wait. Okay, Didi. Didi, you are so sweet. And dear students, Prablin made a one chapati for Simi. Simi was about to start eating. Her friend Ritu came. And dear students, now there is only one chapati and two girls. Simmi is a very good girl. She has learned in school that sharing is caring. So she decided to divide this full chapati into two equal parts. So she folded this chapati from right to left side and divided one chapati into two equal parts. Both of them ate half chapati. Dear student, now let's learn how to divide different shapes into two equal parts. Dear students, we can divide any shape like circle, triangle, square into two equal parts. So dear students, first of all, we will divide this circle into two equal parts. So, dear students, I will fold this circle from right to left side and I will cut it from middle. In this way, I have two equal parts of it. I can also cut it like this. So, dear students, we can cut a circle into two equal parts in two different ways. Dear students, the whole shape or full shape is 1 and the half part of it is numerically known as 1 upon 2 and the remaining half is also known as 1 upon 2. Dear students, in this way, full or whole of a thing can be divided into two equal parts. In words, we write it half. Dear student, this square can also be divided into two equal parts like this. And dear students, a full square can also be divided like this from right to left side and we can make two equal parts of it. So in this way, the full square is numerically 1 and the half part of it is numerically known as, yes, very good, 1 upon 2. Dear students, this triangle can also be divided into two equal parts like this. The full triangle is numerically 1 and the half part of it is numerically known as 1 upon 2 and the remaining half part is also 1 upon 2. Dear students, Lucky went to market with his grandfather and bought two chocolates. He wants to eat both chocolates, but at that time his sister Chinky came and asked that grandfather told to equally divide these chocolates among them. So dear students, Lucky gave one chocolate to his sister Chinky. In this way, both have equal chocolates. So, dear students, we have learned that half of two things is 1. Dear students, Hardeep has 4 flowers. He wants to take these flowers to school's annual function. But his friend Sahas came and said, Yar Hardeep, I don't have any flower. Please give me some flowers. Hardeep is a very good boy. He gave half flowers to his friend. So, in this way, now both have equal flowers. Dear students, in this way, we learned that half of 4 is 2. Dear students, in this way, we have learned how to divide whole or total things or shapes into 2 equal parts. Dear students, now it's time for homework. Dear students, at your home, do practice of dividing different things or different shapes into 2 equal parts. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.